Guys, ignore the sound, please. Please, just ignore the sound. By the way, I'm gonna show you my office.